Hello everyone, welcome to my cookery show. So today our vegetable is potato. By using these potatoes, I would like to prepare the French fries in this video. So first the thing is we need to select the potatoes. The potato should be long and it should be in equal sizes. All the potatoes should be equal. Now take a peeler and then peel the potato. So in this way we need to peel the potato. Take a look here. So we need to peel the potatoes in this way. So after peeling the potatoes, we need to keep that into the water. So I have added some salt to that water. The second main step is the cutting the potatoes for this French fries. So we got many cuts for these potatoes for French fries. Because of the lockdown, I didn't get the big sized potatoes. I got some small one also. So there are many tools available for cutting these potatoes for French fries. So you can get that one also. In this way we need to cut the potatoes in the straight way so that we get the sticks. So the shape should be like that, and we need to cut on the top also. Cut the potato into half, make the slices, then cut in the straight way to get the sticks. So if you want to get the perfect shape, then you cut the edges on top and bottom also. In the market we got many potato cutters for the French fries. You can try with that. You will get the perfect shape. The height should be like this and the medium thickness should be like this. Potato sticks into this cold water and we should soak it for 1 minute. So after that we need to pat dry with the towel or any tissue paper. So completely we should remove the water from this. So in this way I am spreading. First I am removing the water from these potatoes and keeping aside. Later I will pat dry it with a tissue paper. By using the tissues I was cleaning these potatoes. Just I am showing you. First we need to pat dry like this. Then we need to keep under the fan for 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So we need to shift it into the another bowl. First we need to heat the oil in this way, and then we need to add the dried potato sticks in this way. Just we need to fry it for 1 minute and we need to take off. Just blanch it. So in this way we get the color in the first time frying, and then to this I have added the corn flour and I have dusted it and then dried it for 30 minutes and keep it aside. And so in the second step I have fried these double time. So in this way the sticks are getting fried. That is, I am deep frying this. So in this color we get. This is the perfect color of the second way we will get, so that the potato becomes stiff and crispy. So this is a perfect frying. So our French fries are ready. I will show you after frying all the things. So in this way I have fried everything, and now finally I was going to add some red chili powder to it. I have just sprinkling on to that, and then some salt. So I am sprinkling some salt to that. So now I will mix it. Shaking we get that sound, so that indicates the perfect frying. So that's it. Our French fries are prepared. So this is the final look of our French fries. If you want more spicy, you can add some more red chili powder. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like this.